Avoiding Google Business Profile Suspensions, Tips and Best Practices for HVAC and Appliance Repair Businesses. This is the Appliance Experts. Welcome to our latest blog post on how to avoid Google Business Profile suspensions for HVAC and appliance repair businesses. If you're a business owner, you know the importance of having a strong online presence. But what happens when your business listing is no longer on Google Maps? A Google Business Profile suspension is when your business profile is removed from Google Maps and search. This can have a major impact on your online visibility and customer reach. If your Google Business Profile has been suspended, it's important to understand the severity of the suspension. There are two types of suspensions: hard suspensions and soft suspensions. A hard suspension is when your profile is completely removed from Google Maps and search. A soft suspension is when your profile is temporarily removed, but can be reinstated after certain actions are taken. There are several triggers that can lead to a GBP suspension. Algorithmic sweeps, account issues, and manual suspensions are all possibilities. Some common reasons for GBP suspensions include listing yourself as open 24 hours when you're not, adding keywords to your business name, and having your address at a virtual office or co-working space. Changes to your address or creating multiple listings for the same business can also lead to a suspension. Suspensions can become more common if your business is facing quality issues. To avoid a Google Business Profile suspension, it's important to learn from other posts related to optimizing and managing Google Business Profiles. In conclusion, if your business is facing a Google Business Profile suspension, it's important to understand the severity and take action to rectify the issue. And if you want to get your digital marketing review session for free, just visit our website and get in touch with us. The article is going to be on our blog, and we also will post videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more informative videos.